How to get auto clicker for Roblox PC. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To get yourself an auto clicker for Roblox, search for auto clicker from SourceForge because this is a verified one. Select on the first suggestion, that is sourceforge.net. To download it, just click on the download button in here. Once you press on it, just like any other application, you will have to extract and install it in your PC. Once you get yourself your very own auto clicker, when you tap open it, you will see an interface like this. In here, you can adjust the click interval and also manage the click repeat, cursor position, and more. Also, by tapping on hotkey setting, you can press on or click on any of the key once you place it as the shortcut of a function. For an example, if I set my hotkey as F6 for start and press on F6, the auto clicker will be automatically begin. Now, you can use it to play a very famous Roblox game such as Tapping Gods, Tapping Mania, Raise Clicker, and more. That's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.